Welcome to our channels English with Hassane 1 and English with Hassane 2.
To the next group. The first word is trade. 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 The second word, grade. 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 The third word, blade. 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 The last word, shade. 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 Now let's repeat after me the four words. Trade, grade, blade, shade. Let's repeat for the last time. Trade, grade, blade, shade. Let's go to the next group. Lane, 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 plane, 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 sane, 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 wane, wane, wane. Now let's repeat the four words after me. Let's pronounce with me or after me. Lane, 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 plane, 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 sane, 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 wane, wane, wane. Okay, let's go to the next group. Age, age, age. Repeat after me. Cage, cage, cage. Repeat after me. Page, page, page. Repeat after me the last word. Sage, sage, sage. Now let's repeat after me all the words. Age, 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 cage, 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 page, 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 sage, sage, sage. Let's go to the next.
That's the end of this video. To support us, subscribe, like, comment and share. See you very soon, God willing.